All right, Lisa. It's been a while since you were last here. What are we doing today?
Yeah, it has been. I'm thinking of trying something different. I'd love to get some relaxed braids. Nothing too tight, but something that'll last a while.
Ooh, braids, great choice. They're so in style right now, and they're low maintenance too. Are you thinking classic three-strand braids, or maybe something more intricate like box braids or French braids?
I think I'll stick with something simple and elegant like classic three-strand braids. But I want them loose, not too tight on my scalp. Maybe add a few gold cuffs to the ends for a little sparkle.
Perfect. Relaxed and chic, just your style. I'll start by sectioning your hair. So what's new with you? It's been ages since we last caught up.
Oh, so much has changed. I actually started a new job about a month ago. It's been a huge adjustment, but also really exciting.
That's amazing. What kind of work are you doing now?
I'm working in marketing. It's a small company, but I love the creative freedom I have there. I get to work on campaigns, social media, and branding. It's different from my last job, but I'm enjoying the challenge.
That sounds perfect for you. Marketing is such a creative field. So what's been the hardest part so far?
Honestly, the learning curve has been steep, but everyone's been supportive, which has made settling in easier.
It sounds like you're in a great place. And speaking of changes, how's everything with your boyfriend? Are you two still planning that big wedding next year?
Yes, we've actually started looking at venues and figuring out our guest list. It's exciting, but kind of overwhelming too. There's so much to plan.
Tell me about it. Weddings are a lot of work, but so worth it. Do you have any ideas for your dress yet?
Definitely something elegant, maybe with lace, and not too poofy. I want something timeless.
That sounds beautiful. You'll look amazing. Any honeymoon destinations in mind?
We're leaning toward Italy, Venice and Tuscany maybe. It's romantic. And the food? Don't even get me started on the food.
Italy's a dream. You'll love it. The culture, the scenery, and yes, the pasta. It's all perfect. So aside from work and wedding planning, how are you keeping busy? Any new hobbies?
Actually, yes, I started yoga recently. I do it every morning, and it's made a huge difference. It helps me unwind and focus on myself.
That's awesome. Yoga's great for mind and body. Do you go to a class or just do it at home?
A mix of both. I go to a class twice a week and follow YouTube videos at home on the other days. It's a great stress buster, especially now.
I can imagine. With a new job and wedding planning, it must be a lot to juggle.
Yeah, but I try to keep a balance. I also read every night before bed. Right now, I'm reading this book about mindfulness.
Reading's such a good habit. I keep saying I'll start, but I usually end up scrolling through my phone instead.
I used to do that too, but switching to a book helps me sleep better. Plus, it's a nice escape.
So how's the wedding planning? Picked out your flowers yet?
Not yet. I'm thinking peonies or lilies. Something simple but elegant. How about you? How's life treating you?
Busy but good. The salon's been bustling, which is great. I'm hoping to take a short trip soon to recharge.
That sounds perfect. Where are you thinking of going?
Maybe a beach weekend, just some sun, sand, and relaxation. I haven't had a real break in ages.
You totally deserve it. A beach trip sounds amazing. I'd love a little getaway before wedding craziness kicks in.
Do it. It's a great way to recharge. And for the big day, how about braids for your bridal look? We could do something really special.
I hadn't thought of that. I love the idea. Maybe something soft and romantic with a few flowers woven in.
That would be gorgeous. Braids are so versatile. We'll create a look unique to you. I'll keep it in mind for your next appointment. All done. What do you think?
I love it. It's exactly what I wanted. Relaxed but still elegant. You're amazing, Chloe.
Glad you love it. Enjoy the look and good luck with the wedding plans.
Thanks, Chloe. I'll need it.